Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for everyone. We Group 5 from CDCS 2482A2 want to present our mini project Linear Algebra M80 523 about relationship between experience and income. Before we start, we meet first our team member. Start with me, Daniel Haziq bin Sulaiman, and then we have Daniel Jasrizal bin Razali, and lastly we will have Muhammad Erhan bin Muhammad Said. We have 4 topics for present for today. In total, firstly we have introduction. Second, we have implementation of each model. Third, we have graph for each models. And lastly, we have analysis and conclusion. So now we start our presentation for today with introduction. Experience and income grow in relationship to one another. Therefore, the more work experience a person has, the more income a person earns. Income change. That means the experience is independent variable and the income is the dependent variable. We are using 4 mathematical models to find the best fit curve for this data, which are linear model, quadratic model, cubic model, and quartic model. Based on table 1, this is the real data that we obtained from Google. We took 20 data points from the real details to comparing two variables, which are x and y. Which is x is experience and y is income. So now we go into implementation of each model. We start with linear. As you know, linear model is y equal to a plus bx. As you can see from your left, we can see the two matrices, matrix M and matrix Y. So how do we to find the least square solution? We can start with normal equation first, and then we find the least square solution. And then lastly, we can have the best fit linear curve is y equal to 11.7415 plus 0.2335x. So now we're going to find the error. What is the formula of the error? Formula of the error is y minus mv. So firstly, we're going to find the matrix y, and then we'll minus it with the matrix m and v. With all that calculation, we can get the magnitude of error. For this linear model, we can get the magnitude of error is 20.2054. Alright, now we're gonna see the graph for each model. We're gonna start with linear model first. As you can see for the screen, graph of the best curve against its observed data. We can see that graph is a straight line, right? That means it was linear. And then we're gonna see the graph of the error vector against x values.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk about the implementation of each model, which is cubic model and quartic model. Quartic model, y is equal to a plus bx plus cx squared plus dx cubed and dx power of 4. Its normal equation consists of one row as one column and how many infinite row depends on the question. You also have a least square solution. Quartic model also have the best fit cubic curve. For the error is y equal to y minus mv. They also have the magnitude of error as a cubic model. The y is equal to a plus bx plus dx squared plus dx cubed. The normal equation consists of matrix, free variable, and the answer. You also have a least square solution, which is least square solution. You also have the best fit cubic curve, where y has something nilai. You also have the error vector, and the magnitude of error.
Hi, I am Muhammad Irhan bin Muasis. I'm going to explain about quartic model, analysis and conclusion. So, what is quartic model? It is a function with a degree of 4, meaning that the highest exponent of the function is 4. The quartic equation will be a plus bx plus cx square plus dx to the power of 3 plus ex to the power of 4. We can see the value of m, v and y. We should do all of this calculation to find the best fit linear curve. So the best fit linear curve is y equal to 7.0828 minus 0.2629x minus 0.1285x to the power of 2 minus 0.0053x to the power of 3 plus 0.00006x to the power of 4. Next is the magnitude error. We are using y minus mv to get the magnitude error. And the magnitude error was E equal to 16.4697575383917183. These were the graph for the best fit curve and the error vector. For analysis and conclusion, we have choose the best fit curve based on linear graph, quadratic graph, cubic graph and quartic graph. The best fit curve that give us the best approximation is quartic graph, because it has the best fit curve with minimum error in terms of its magnitude. Thank you.